Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Blazer. This front-wheel drive vehicle only has 2,512 miles on it, has never been reported in any accidents, and has only had one owner. This comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your 18-inch bright silver aluminum wheels, and back tinted windows. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose speaker audio system, both dark and light gray galvanized leather seating in the front and back. When it comes to the radio, you have your brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, push to start, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.